Hello. So in this tutorial, ang pag-uusapan natin is about the derivative of a second function. So ano nga ba yung formula ng derivative ng second? So the derivative of a second is given by the formula d over dx of secant u, okay, d over dx of secant u, that is equal to secant u multiply by tangent of u, tapos i-multiply pa natin to ng derivative of u with respect to dx. So, saan siya nanggaling? Bakit naging ganyan ang formula? Now, if we let y equals to the secant u, getting the derivative of y with respect to u, that is equal to the derivative with respect to u of, di ba ang equivalent ng secant sa inverse trigonometric functions natin is 1 over cosine. 1 over cosine u. Okay? So, getting the derivative of this by using the derivative formula natin na c over v. So, this is equal to negative c dv over v squared. Okay, since constant yung nasa taas natin na 1. So, ang mangyayari magiging du over at dy over dy over du, this is equal to negative. Ang c natin is 1, since ang constant natin here is 1, huwag na natin sulat, times the derivative of cosine. So, kung tatandaan natin, ang derivative ng cosine is negative sine u times i-derive pa natin yung u natin dyan. Pero pwede rin hindi kasi sinulat na natin dito. That is sine u, negative sine u, all over ang b natin dito na cosine squared u. Okay? So, ang mangyayari magiging itong du, dy over du, this is equal to negative times negative, naging positive na siya. Tapos, paghiwalayin ko yung sine u over cosine u multiplied by 1 over cosine u. Kaya yung nangyari, naging dy over du is equal to, di ba itong 1 over cosine that is secant u, tapos itong sine over cosine that is tangent u. Okay, so kung i-derive natin to with respect to x, makukuha natin yung dy over dx natin, which is equal to secant u tan u times du over dx. So, ang importante dito is that yung u natin dapat is parehas. Itong u dito at saka yung u dyan, parehas dapat siya. So, therefore, kukunin naman natin yan dito sa u natin na naandito sa problem. Okay, let's try answering this sample problem dito sa function natin. Sample 1, find the derivative of y equals x squared times secant 4 pi x. So, kung papansinin natin, meron tayo ditong dalawang part. Ito yung ating u, kasi ito naman yung gawin natin na v. Since we all know that the derivative of u times v, di ba, that is equal to u dv plus v du. Okay, so kung naaalala pa, balikan yung mga basic derivative formulas natin. So, if we let u equals to x squared ang du natin with respect to x is 2x dx. Meanwhile, kung ang v natin is equal to secant for pi x, ano nga yung magiging dv natin dito? Diba that is equal to the secant ang u natin is ito, 4 pi x times tangent u, 4 pi x times derivative pa nito. Anong derivative nito? Diba that is equal to 4 pi dx. So, ito yung ating derivative ng function na to. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, magiging na to, since gamitin na natin ito, since nakuha naman na natin lahat, yung u, v, du, and dv. So, ang mangyayari, magiging dy over dx, this is equal to u, ano yung u? X squared times dv. Ang dv natin is equal to secant. Ito muna. Ito pala, kailangan nakauna yung 4 pi. Unahin na natin yung 4 pi. 4 pi secant of 4 pi x tangent of 4 pi x plus v du. Okay? V du yung nandito. So, ang v natin is secant of 4 pi x times yung u natin na, du natin na 2x. Then, i-multiply natin lahat by dx. Or kahit nandito na pala yung dx natin. So, therefore, ang mangyayari is magiging dy over dx. Rearrange na lang natin. Pwede na siguro unahin natin to. 2x secant 4 pi x plus ito distribute 4 pi x squared secant 4 pi x tangent of 4 pi x. So, that is our final answer. Pwede naman tong simplify pa. Like, magigitong dy over dx that is equal to, labas natin yung 2x secant 4 pi x. Para ito, magiging na tong 1 plus pi x. May 2 pa. Kasi 2 lang naman pala yung nilabas. 2 pi x tangent of 4 pi x. Close bracket. Kas lang naman yun. Kahit alin ang sagot, parehas ang kakalabasan na final answer. Basta tandaan nyo lang, ang derivative ng secant is sec u tan u times need nyo pang i-derive yung u. Okay, another example tayo. Another example, find the derivative of the function of x secant of the tangent of the square root of x. Okay? So, ito is, since alam natin that the derivative of secant u is secant u tangent u du. So, we will let itong tan square root of x natin as our u. So, let tan square root of x be our u equal to u. Okay? Kasi yan yung isa-substitute natin dito. So, therefore, need natin yung du natin. So, pag dinerive natin, du is equal to, anong derivative ng tangent? So, kung hindi pa na mapanood, pwede nyo panoorin ang part 3 ng derivative of trigonometric functions na naandito sa playlist. So, the derivative of tangent u, that is equal to secant squared u times the derivative pa ng u. So, if our derivative pala ng tangent is secant squared times, ano yung unit to? Square root of x times du pa, ano yung derivative ng square root of x? Diba that is negative 1 over x, 1 over 2 square root of x. Yan yung derivative natin ng square root of x. Kasi kung tatandaan, square root of x is equal to x raised to 1 half. Pag dinerive natin to, bababa yung 1 half times x raised to 1 half minus 1 times dx which is 1. So, chain rule lang to. So, magiging 1 half x raised to negative 1 half or this is equal to 1 over 2 x raised to 1 half. Kaya naging, positive pala to, sorry. Dito negative. Since hindi naman natin tinaas. Magiging 1 over 2 x raised to 1 half. So, therefore, ang du natin dito is equal to secant, rewrite lang natin, secant squared square root of x all over 2 square root of x dx. So, yan yung magiging du natin dyan. So, palit na natin yan sa original equation natin. So, ang magiging f of x natin, which is yung secant of itong tan square root of x, gawin muna natin na u. So, ang f prime of x or the first derivative is sec u tan u du. Okay? Substitute natin yung nakuha natin na nilets natin kanina na u, which is equal to tan square root of x, at saka yung du na sinagutan natin kanina. So, therefore, ang f prime of x that is equal to the secant of square root of x times the tangent of the square root of x times, ano yung du natin? Secant squared square root of x all over all over 2 the square root of x dx. Alisin natin dx, dali natin sa kabila, or naka-f prime of x na to. So, no need to put dx since this is already dy over dx. So, ang f prime of x natin, simplify nga natin, magiging na tong secant square root of yung u pala natin dito is tan square root of x. Sorry, mali. Ulitin natin. Secant of tan square root of x tangent of tan square root of x, since square root of x yung u natin, times yung du natin na secant squared square root of x all over 2 square root of x. So, magiging na tong, simplify na lang natin. secant of tan of square root of x times tan of tan square root of x times secant squared of square root of x all over to the square root of x. So that is how you derive any function na merong secant dun sa function natin. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial for the derivative of a secant.